Ayun yung thing na parang ang hirap matutunan is to ask for help. Pwede naman talagang humingi ng tulong. Pero it's not a switch na parang you can flip na parang, okay, starting today, I will ask for help. Especially for people who faced very difficult challenges alone. But I think it happens slowly. One moment at a time, one friend at a time, one kitchen at a time. I can let people help me. I can let in people in my life and let them. So if you're someone who is carrying things alone, I hope you find your people, and I hope that when they show up, you let them. Because you don't have to do all this by yourself, and you were never supposed to. Hey guys, it's another day, another story. And for today's side quest, mag-organize ako ng kitchen area ko. And I've been putting this off for so long. And habang tumatagal, mas frustrate ako about it. So, I called up my friend, my dear friend, Kuya Chan. But Kuya Chan and Ate Charm actually got married. Of course, whenever I ask one of them to hang out, it's always gonna be the two of them together. And I'm so happy that I have these friends who are very passionate about home improvement. I never really show my kitchen space as much because ang gulo-gulo pa niya, tas ang kalat. The assignment is they're gonna come here and then Kuya Chan will study and check like what else do I need, and then I'm gonna figure it out with him also with the sizes and all that. They're gonna sleep here overnight kami, and then tomorrow we will go to IKEA, whatever you want to pronounce it. It's gonna be a very packed side quest vlog for me with my friends, and to me it's the little things like this that makes life worth living. I'm very happy that I get to create this video and just hang out with my friends and organizing their kitchen together. So let's go.
Nung medyo mataas na lagayan ng mga condiments. Yung ano,
Pa ganyan. Hindi yung paano.
para mas ma-maximize mo yung space. Tapos,
Kasi gumaganon daw yung, ano yan?
lumulong daw yung
Gumaganon siya. Isa sa mga qualities of mine that I'm very proud of is being independent. I was able to develop that because, well, I can say it straight. We were poor. And then ako yung laging parang, I can figure it out na I don't know how to ask for help when I need it. Patungan po pa na pagiging people pleaser. I've been bearing a lot of weight on my own.
Limited yung space ko na recording na kaya. Yung lalagyan ko nga doon ng mga kutsara tinidor, garapon lang.
My main struggle with this kitchen organization is I don't know where to start. With that, I remembered Kuya Chan because he's great in the kitchen. And it's easy naman to ask help from your friends, no? But that wasn't always the case. And then with Kuya Chan naman, for Choice Story, you see my content about, living life, living intentionally. I mentioned this one in my Film Your Life vlog where a lot of times I felt like my life was too difficult to live. As a teenage boy, the one that I would always go to was Kuya Chan. I know I was a very annoying kid, telling him everything about what I was going through. But Kuya Chan was always willing to listen, and similar with Ate Charm, the relationship I think has always been that way, that sibling energy. Tayo IKEA.
Kahit bagyo, mamimili kami ng shopping.
Hindi kami pipigilan ng bagyo sa pagbili ng aming ano. Kasi wala naman
Wala
talaga.
akong bagyo. Oo nga pala, bakit nga lang pala.
Blueberry, tapos
Iin na lang din ako.
Foxon. Oo nga eh. Ano kami, 1 to 3 go, kanya-kanya na. I'm checking the list we have in Notion. Sige, Kuya Jito. Ang ganda to. Ilagay. Yung isasabit sa ano lang yun, sa door. Oo. Masyado yata yung malaki, no? Pag inuwi ko.
Barriera.
Pero, ito na ba yun?
Yes.
Ay, oo.
32.
Plate set, okay na. Ito lang pala yung kailangan natin talaga, no?
Mm.
Ito, oh. Ito walang gulong to. Ay, pero parang functional siya. Kuya, oh.
Ay, oo.
Guys, nakakita kami ng ano. Okay, yung sizes functional, meron siyang ano, yung drawer na for the utensils. Bob.
Yan.
Or pwedeng ganun.
Pagkabalik tayo.
Para accessible. Yeah. Hey. Okay. Success kami ni Kuya Chan sa ano. Ito yung mga hinaharap namin sa Mandaue. Meron naman na kami dito nakita, tapos mas mura.
Tapos, meron na yung...
Tigas ng mata mo.
Okay na ba to?
Hmm.
Yung sa screwdriver, ano yung nasa, ano yung bala? Isang set na nga talaga siya. Kita din ba yan? This is the set.
Try yan.
Alam mo, ako din gusto ko yan. Sorry, Kuya.
Alam natin ang bakit. Ayun, babasag.
Guys, we're done! Yay!
Assembly time na later.
After nito, ipaparap lang namin yung mga plates. Tapos,
Mag-wrap.
kami.
Mag-wrap kasi.
Freaking, mas mura siya than in-expect ko. So, ano, happy. Wow! Pwede ko na ilagay dito yung mga utensils and the other stuff. Ito na yung ipapalit namin dito sa block na... Di ko alam kung anong area to. IKEA Hall.
Oy, utras mo konti. Para yan.
I think I was around 14 years old when I met Ate Charm. She was a college student at the time. Basically, we were in church band together. She was singing, I was playing the piano. So, kung paano kami mag-bonding before, pupunta kami sa mall, sa food court ng mall. Meron siyang dalang isang chichirya. Ako kasi wala akong pera nun eh. Mag-uusap lang kami, tas iiyak kami. Our life was very difficult back then. We were talking about a lot of things, about our dreams, and we were trying to distract ourselves from the reality that's in front of us. Ate Charm was also living a very difficult life as well. We went through it together. So pag may mga hangouts kami with other people, lagi kaming nagkikibuan na parang, wala akong pera, sasama ka ba? Pwede ba akong dumikit sa'yo for the entire, ano? Hindi ko alam paano ko uuwi kasi wala na ako pamasahe pa uwi. And that's how we became very bonded. It has been like that when we met, and it has always been like that until now, where she's my ate and I'm her little brother. Ayun, ulit! Ito, bumili kami noong night rack apart from dun sa shelf. May ano na lang dito, may nakalagay dyan na text on kung ano yung price niya. Actually, ito sinadjust to sa ni Kuya Chan, tapos siya na rin pumuha. Ano nga ito yung roller?
Ito here.
Lint roller. Another fake plant because we can't take care of plants. Interior shelving siya para dun sa mga ano,
Cabinet mo.
Yung nasa cabinet ko,
Kitchen cabinet.
yan, yung kitchen cabinet para marami, ma-organize namin siya properly.
Pero ano lang to, halagang 1.5 lang lahat lahat.
Wow. Pumunta kami ng IKEA.
Punta kami ng IKEA.
Bumili kami ng mga ito. 1,500 pesos lang.
Marami pa nga itong iba't ibang kulay. Ito, Batman.
Cute.
Color pink. pangit. Kasi ang dami kong dress ay
Parang yan dapat binili ko pala.
laundry basket. Syempre, may fake plant din po. Pero ng buhay.
Ay, ito, ang cute nito,
Nasa
nakita
kit
ko.
nito. Oh, perfect. Only in IKEA.
Nalilimas na ng brand deal parang.
Follow niyo po sa TikTok. Ito po.
Ay, parang TikTok.
Tapos, para sa akin, diba? Bumili ka na ng ganito. Yeah.
Ito, no?
Oh, diba? Ang cute yun.
Mukha siya yung syrup ng pang coffee shop.
I know. Ito, last minute ito binili.
Yung pang ito, meron sa akin niya.
O, yung nandun tayo sa may cashier. Tapos nakita ko lang bigla.
Hindi, pero sulit kasi, pinagkano ko talaga. Effort talaga para ma-organize ng kitchen na. And I'm so happy and ito sila lang Kuya Chan, tsaka si Ate Char.
Wala naman ako
Okay,
siya.
si Kuya Chan talaga yung hinano ko.
Ang ambag ko ay, daldal.
Ganda.
At saka, ganda at daldal.
Ang ating pambansang Disney princess ay nandito. So yun, that's it for our IKEA haul and
Transition.
recording sesh while everything's going on. Hey guys, good morning. This is the kitchen. Yay! I'm very happy with how everything turned out, and a lot of the things that I'm using in the kitchen have a place already. And if you're thinking, parang wala na masyado nangyari, it's just more about the organization lang naman, number one. And number two, I'm renting, so I cannot really fully redecorate the place, no? And if you're also curious about how everything looks like sa mga cabinet, paano siya inorganize, I'm making the bold decision to not show it because it's actually not the point of this video. I mentioned to you guys earlier how I met Kuya Chan and Ate Charp and how our relationship had blossomed as, I would say, childhood friends. And it's not just us three. We have other friends in our circle, and a lot of us have our own lives now, have our own place. The others are living abroad. And one of the things that we have in common is lahat kami kaya naming gawin siya mag-isa. Not just in our personal lives, but also in our career. Kahit anong trabaho, kahit di ko alam, aaralin ko mabilis, ganun. That's just how we were wired as we grew up together. But I really needed help in this kitchen, and my friends came over and they showed up. May mga opinions si Kuya Chan about my kitchen, how to organize it better. And all throughout, I was feeling guilty. And sinasabi ko na parang, ako na lang kaya, parang masyado ng hassle ako para kay Kuya Chan. But I just have to really let them help me. And yun yung thing na parang ang hirap matutunan is to ask for help. Pwede naman talagang humingi ng tulong. Pero it's not a switch na parang you can flip na parang, okay, starting today, I will ask for help. Especially for people who faced very difficult challenges alone. Mahirap talaga siya i-unlearn. But I think it happens slowly. One moment at a time, one friend at a time, one kitchen at a time. I can let people help me. I can let in people in my life and let them. So if you're someone who is carrying things alone, I hope you find your people, and I hope that when they show up, you let them. Because you don't have to do all this by yourself, and you were never supposed to. And that's it for the vlog. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. And if you have any thoughts or suggestions, you can comment down below. And you can also follow me on my socials because I make other types of content as well that you might want to check out. So yeah, thank you so much for making it through the end of this video. And that's it for today's story. Bye-bye!